Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about this question of what worlds are you trying to bridge? This is a great question around niching. So for example, for me, Marketing for Hippies, I'm bridging the world of marketing and hippies. There's a business called Buddhist Boot Camp and trying to bridge the world of fitness, intense, rigorous fitness with Buddhism. There's a lot of examples. If you check out marketingforhippies.com/oxymoronic, you'll see a number of these. And first of all, when you notice that there's two worlds you're trying to bridge, sometimes you get a name out of it, like Marketing for Hippies, which is interesting and compelling because people don't think about marketing and hippies together almost ever until they hear my business name. They say, oh, what? So it's attention grabbing, it's fascinating, people start to ask questions about it, but also this helps you understand a bit about your niche. There may be 2 or 3 worlds that you're trying to bridge. Maybe this sort of mainstream and this holistic thing, or this part of the holistic world and this part of the holistic world, this modality and that modality, this community and that community. You're probably already a part of certain communities, certain scenes, and you may be one of the few people that is in these 2 or 3 scenes. You're like the center of the Venn diagram. So I invite you to do that. What are the worlds, communities, scenes that you are trying to bridge with each other? Because that's the role you play in the community. That's my basic definition of niching, is your niche is the role that you play in the community or the role you want to be known for in the marketplace. This will do a number of things. It will, first of all, help you clarify the communities that you really want to be adopted by, the communities where you could be marketing. So for example, I could be doing presentations at hippie festivals, but I could also have a profile on LinkedIn, which I do, but I'm not doing anything with it yet. You see what I'm saying? There's the business community I could be talking to and saying, hey, are any of you hippies? And then there's the hippie community that I say, hey, do any of you have a business? And then of course I can be creating my own community, as I am with my membership of a bunch of hippie entrepreneurs. And I'll tell you what, you may think you're the only one who's bridging those communities, but there are a lot of people out there who are trying to do so. And if you were to raise the flag and say, hey, I'm trying to merge these two, I'm trying to put a bridge between these two, oh my God, I'm trying to go back and forth between these things in a boat by myself all the time, having a bridge would be much easier. You're already doing this? You're building a community around this? Wonderful. I know I really love nonviolent communication, but I also love the work of Byron Katie. So whenever I hear of people who are bridging those 2 modalities, who use them both together, I just think it's the greatest thing. It's like a crossover, If ever on TV there was a crossover between Doctor Who and like Star Trek or Star Wars, I'd be incredibly excited. So what are the things you're trying to do a crossover with? Because just like nerds get excited when their favorite sci-fi shows cross over with each other, your people will be excited that those 2 scenes are finally crossing over. Or you could think about, a podcast that you like, and then they interview your favorite person from another part of your life. It's like, oh my God, these 2 people are talking. I have to hear this conversation. So there you go. I think that's it. Thanks so much for watching today. If you'd like to learn more about how I combine marketing and hippies, go to marketingforhippies.com/starter-kit. And you can get the starter kit, which is the full footage of my day-long workshop, plus a bunch of other stuff you can read about there. I think that's it. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm not hard to find. Take care, everyone.